When it comes to your health, it's all about circulation. And our feet are the farthest point from our heart. And going against gravity even makes it more difficult for those who get swelling in their legs, tingling, numbness, cramping, pain, difficulty walking, burning, difficulty sleeping. I am going to show you something that you can do every single day. It doesn't take long, just a few minutes, where you can get that circulation back into your legs, get that swelling away from the ankles and in those lower legs back up to the heart to help detoxify your system, to help you get more oxygen, to help you become more healthier. That's what this video is all about. We're first going to start out with 2 pillows. I want you to grab 2 pillows somewhat like this because you're going to need this. We're going to get into a position on the ground and we're going to get going right now. So I want you to make yourself comfortable. Lay on the floor, have a couch in front of you, your bed can be in front of you, a chair can be in front of you. You're going to have 2 pillows like this. You're going to put them about so far away from the couch or chair or bed. And this pillow here needs to go between your shoulder blades. I'll explain why. And the pillow right behind it goes on your head so you can become comfortable. This is a position where all the magic is going to start taking place. So we're going to lay on our back. This pillow here is going to go right between our shoulder blades. The pillow behind is going to be on our head. If you need to make it higher, then put 2 pillows or a thick pillow underneath your head, whatever's comfortable. But I want your feet up like this. Why? Okay, our feet's going to be up because gravity is going to pull the swelling, the edema back to the heart. It's going to help in the detoxifying process. Our arms are to go off to our side like this, between our shoulder blades, lifting our scapula up. As our arms come down, we open the chest. As you open the chest, you then open the lungs. Therefore, you are allowed to get more oxygen to the cells of your body, which is going to help your circulation. So you're going to be in this position the whole time. Remember, when your legs are up, if it's more comfortable, you can put it like this, or you can put them up, but I like them up like this, where your knees are against the couch or against the bed. Now, the reason for this is because we want that gravity to pull the edema back, but we're going to do our exercises in our legs to get that blood supply down. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to point our toes. We're going to flex back and forth. Now, I want you to realize, look at my feet. When we do so, and we push down, the calf is contracting. And as that calf, called the gastrocnemius, is contracting, it's squeezing on the veins. As it squeezes on the veins, it's going to push that edema and vein circulation back up to the heart, because that's where we're getting a lot of pulling from gravity. So I'm going to want you to stay in this position. And I want you to focus on breathing in through your nose, breathing out of your mouth. You're going to continue to do that slowly as you pump the ankles back and forth like this. As you're contracting the gastrocnemius, you're going to do this for a good minute or 2. Then you're just going to sway out like this, like windshield wipers. As we're working different muscles, engaging those veins to squeeze it. And remember, as we're doing so, the brain is being activated through the central nervous system. As we send more blood circulation to the area, as we get more waste toxins and lymphatic flow coming back up to the heart, so we can go ahead and cleanse that lower extremity. So we do the wish washers, the window washers, I call it the wish washers, like this, back and forth. And then what I want you to do, I just want you to tap, just like this. This is extremely healthy for you. Understand that when we sit up and do this, it's still healthy. But when we're in a declined position, where our feet, our legs are above our heart, it makes it so much easier for all that circulation, all that edema, all that lymphatic flow, all that exudates, all those extra toxins to get back into the system, back into the circulatory system. Just kick like this. And remember, breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Keep the arms nice and wide as you open the chest, opening up the lungs. And when we're in this position, this starts to kick up the parasympathetic nervous system. This is our rest and digest. If you have digestive problems, it's going to get better. This will definitely help digestion. It will stimulate peristalsis. This will actually increase blood supply, more oxygen through our entire body. Now, as we keep our chest nice and open, now what I'd like you to do, I want to activate different muscles or hip flexors as well as our quadriceps. and other muscles in our legs. And by doing so, all you're going to do is lift up as high as you can and come back down. You'll do each leg. Do this about 25 times. After that, you alternate about 25 times. If you can't come all the way up, it's okay. Just do your best. This is where you're going to get the flow. This is going to activate the nervous system, central nervous system, and you're going to start affecting many other muscles in the deep lower abdomen area. It's going to help that circulation. Excellent. Now, what I'd like you to do also after that, bring your leg up, grab as high as you can to the calf. I want you just to go ahead and start tapping all the way down. Start back up to the calf. Remember, we're bringing it from the toes, from the feet, back up to the heart, and just stimulate it. Tap. You're going to spend about a minute, 45 seconds to a minute in both legs. Bring the other one up best you can and just tap. Good. Remember, this is very, very stimulating. Excellent for circulation. Excellent to remove that lymphatic lymph that's sitting in there to get that lymph flow moving. It's all about movement. So after you do those exercises, you can just sit back. You can meditate in this position. Take those deep breaths, activate your parasympathetic nervous system. It's going to lower your blood pressure. It's going to lower your pulse rate. It's going to help lower your respiration. It's going to help open up the bronchioles, the lungs, get more oxygen. And guess what? If you have a hard time sleeping, do this right before you go to bed. At least be in this position for 5 minutes. This will activate the parasympathetic nervous system, really get your body in that rest and digest. So there you have it. Please practice this. It makes a huge change for your central nervous system. It will make a huge change for your circulation. Then after, when you get up, you're going to feel real light. You're going to get all that blood supply. You're going to get rid of all that edema, that swelling in there, and your life is going to start getting better every single day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with those that can benefit from this. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.